Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video I will show you how to change home screen grid on OPPO A5m. Let's begin! First you want to head into your settings. Then let's head into home screen and lock screen. In here we have a section called home screen layout, so I want to get into it. And now I want to switch from 4x6 by 5x6. Amazing! Let's hit apply. As you can see, our layout is now changed. It's a little bit ugly, but we can easily manipulate it and move stuff around, so they can be pretty again. That's cool. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.